Have you ever felt like your automation workflows are just one-dimensional? You know, a new email comes in and a thing happens. It's good, but it's not smart. Well, if that question resonates, get ready, because Relay has just dropped a massive update for 2025, and it's all about putting a brain behind the brawn of your automations. This year's updates are less about adding 50 new integrations and more about supercharging the ones you already use. First up, the AI assistant is getting a serious upgrade. Instead of just helping you configure steps, it's now more deeply embedded in the entire workflow. Imagine this: you're building a flow to handle new support tickets. The assistant can now analyze the ticket content and automatically suggest the next best action, whether that's escalating it to a team member or generating a pre-filled reply. It's a true co-pilot for your automation building. But the biggest news has to be the introduction of Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Now, this is a bit technical, but the result is game-changing. It essentially means you can create your own custom tools right inside Relay, then let your Relay agent use those tools to perform actions across other apps. You can also connect to external MCP servers from other products, like Claude, and have your Relay agent tap into their unique capabilities. It's like building your own interconnected AI ecosystem, all from the comfort of Relay's visual builder. And it doesn't stop there. They've also introduced something called backfill mode, which is a lifesaver. Ever built a workflow and wished you could run it on a whole bunch of existing data? Now you can, with a single click. Just tell it to run on all those old emails or Notion pages you've been meaning to get to. It's the perfect way to clean up your digital backlog. Finally, we've got a ton of new integrations and models. We're talking new actions for LinkedIn, an integration with Google My Business for those all-important reviews, and new AI models like OpenAI's GPT-5 and Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro. The library of what you can connect and the intelligence you can apply is just exploding. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.